Hello, welcome to another video tutorial on using your For Sale by Owner theme. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly change the typography on your website. As always, I'm using the demo site for the For Sale by Owner theme, which comes out of the box with the beautiful industrial 736 typeface loaded. There are three groups of typefaces that you can change and hundreds of fonts that you can choose from. The three groups of typefaces you can change are the logo section, which is located here, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that in 1 minute. You can also change the header typography, which accounts for things like button text and page headers, like you see here. And lastly, you can change the body typography, which is the main font that you see here, or right here when this page expands all this body text. So let's start with that last option, the body font. To change that, log into the backend admin page and navigate to the For Sale by Owner options located toward the bottom of your dashboard. And let's click on the typography tab located here. The first thing we need to do is load a new typeface to the theme. As you can see, there are hundreds of options to choose from here. I'm going to select the Palanquin typeface here. If you want to familiarize yourself with all the different font options, you can follow this link over on the right here and try them out on the Google font page. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and load our Palanquin typeface. Once we've selected a typeface, you'll want to select which specific fonts from that typeface you want to load to the theme. Every typeface has its own set of fonts. We're just going to go ahead and load the regular font, which basically just means it's just a regular weight. It's not bold, it's not thin, it's just a regular font weight like that. So let's click Save Changes. And once our page reloads, this is actually going to load the font to our theme. So first we select the fonts that we want to include in the theme, we save the changes, and then we assign those fonts to different areas of the theme. So if we head down to the body typography section and look in our font family section here, we can see besides the few presets that are loaded, we have the new font that we've just added to the theme here. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to save those changes. And if we head over to our front end now and we refresh the page, we're going to see that those changes have been made to the body text everywhere. And there they are. Now we can see the body text here is all with using our new font, and if we expand that area, we can see the changes were made for all the body text. The same process is applied to change the header typography and the logo typography. But there is one other thing I want to show you as far as the logo typography is concerned. We have a logo loaded here, but if you don't have a logo or don't want to use one and you just want to display the name and description of your property there, you can change that like so. Let's go back into our admin panel. We're in the For Sale by Owner options already, so let's just click on the Site Settings tab. And under Company Logo here, let's just delete this image and get a little prompt there. We'll push OK and then save. And now when we head over to our front end and refresh the page, we're going to see that instead of having the logo there, we see the site title and description. There we go. By the way, this can be changed anytime, and to do that, just head back to your back end, and instead of the For Sale by Owner options, let's go to the Settings section and choose General. Right here up at the top, this is our site name and description. So changing that and saving those changes will change that name and description for you on the front end of your website. That's it for this video. Thanks again for purchasing the For Sale by Owner responsive single property sales WordPress theme.